Welcome to McKinney Buick GMC, and here's a look at another one of our pre-owned vehicles from our great selection of cars, trucks, and SUVs, and comes equipped with
keyless entry, Sirius XM satellite radio, climate control, alloy wheels, steering wheel controls, third row seating, roof rack, air conditioning, traction control, power windows, and has less than 35,000 miles on the odometer.
Every vehicle we sell goes through a rigorous inspection by our factory-trained mechanics, so you can buy with confidence knowing that your next vehicle is in the best possible condition. At McKinney Buick GMC, our goal is to provide you with an excellent purchase and ownership experience. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff is here for you, whether you need special financing, service on your vehicle, or parts. We do it all in a professional and genuine manner. Come see us today and find out why so many people choose McKinney Buick GMC as their preferred destination when purchasing a vehicle. We're located at 3950 South Central Expressway in McKinney.